World War. The Fringe began in 1948, and since then, performers from all over the world have struggled to get here, sometimes on a shoestring, looking for elusive stardom.
Hey!
Princess Street, Sraj y Frausa. Sraj y Frausa Donation. And the word for address is Shawlug. Shawlug. Listen to these people giving their addresses.
Nothing there.
Nothing there.
Madini Gaska.
Charlotte?
Rod Hamilton.
Ian Campbell.
Dín seo the agah.
Ian.
Sráid Kelvin Grove. Seanach na Campbell.
Seanach na Campbell. Dín Charlotte go hacah.
Rap Berwick. Dachlaf.
J and Shawlach a Hagaf. J and Shawlach a Hagaf. What's your address? J and Shawlach a Hagaf.
J and Shawlug a Hakiv. Listen again.
Martin Var.
Martin Var.
Seamus Campbell.
Jin Shawlach a Hagaf.
Rod Hamilton. Ian Campbell.
Dín seo the agah.
Ian.
Sráid Kelvin Grove. Seanach na Campbell.
Seanach na Campbell. Dín Charlotte go hacah.
Rap Berwick. Dachlaf. Dín Dine Mahadaf.
Dul Macaulay.
Dín seo the agah.
Tree Rat na Path.
Trí ráid na Path, Cléva.
3 Rathna Park, 3 Park Road. Listen out for the numbers used in the following situations.
Dín Hannah Mahadaf. Gardner. Agus bíon Charlotte go hacah.
In Bradgonation.
In Radgonation.
Agus J Charlotte go hacú.
Céhar Sraj Milton.
Céhir. Sraj. Milton. Léba. Tachbelief.
Jerry Master.
Jerry. Oh, Dín Charlotte a hacú.
Yeah, Rotten Love.
Yeah, rotten luck. Okay, maha, Jerry.
Jerry.
Yeah. Rod. And Love. Ga Rotten.
Ja, Rat and Loch. To Loch Road. In. Ja. Ja. Three. Ceher. Listen to those numbers again.
Dyn han am hyddaf.
Gardener.
Agus bíon seola go hacu.
In Radgonation.
In rád go níte. Jerry Master.
Jerry. Oh. Dyn Seola ga hagu.
Ga Rotten Loch.
Ga Rotten Loch. Okay, maha. Jerry.
Jerry.
Ga Rod and Loch. Ga Rotten.
Dyn dyna ma hydaf.
Dul Macaulay.
Dyn siol ga hacaf.
3 Rad na Pathk.
3 rag na path, Ciclefa.
Ceir Strach Milton. Ceir Strach Milton.
Time now to visit the MacLeods in our drama Ekin Teich at home. Look out for phone numbers and the numbers Njoni, 0 or 0, Njoni, and Coig, 5, Coig.
Oh, Gav my lesh Gav. Claude, Coach Radstrath Pollock, Gwaschel. Tigger!
Dama, Gajarabe ha Polis New York, dan klachtig met haar. Koike ha vis, ga, dueliga ha karik in de vaken als een jeu.
Kerst maha, enyem?
Tigger.
Tigger? Gau malishgal.
MacLeod. Mr. and Mrs. MacLeod.
Tapleaf. Agus J. Shaw hacker, Rad Strath Pollock.
Coog. Rad Strath Pollock.
Cook, Rad Strath Pollock. Glasgow. Agus J. na je phone hacker.
Naar de phone. Ja, keer 3. Ja, keer 3. Oh, gaf me leesje. Ja.
Gaatje has 3. Gaatje has 3. Gaatje has 3. Kihes Njoni. Tapperleaf.
Jury.
G an araf phone a hagaf. G an araf phone a hagaf. What's your phone number? G an araf phone a hagaf.
Tai, house. And tai acum, my house. And tai acum. Look out also for araf phone, phone number. And the question, J and araf phone hagaf. What's your phone number?
Agus G na je phone hakaf.
Naar de phone. Ja, keer 3. Ja, keer 3. Oh, gaf me lischka. Ja.
Gaatje has 3. Gaatje has 3. Gaatje has 3. Kihes Njoni Njoni. Tapperleaf.
Jury.
Na cúmse. Waar kans creëren herkomsten aan een
Kaatje?
Ja?
Agus tí ná a fóna hacah?
Postri ga koik 3.
Ga, cóig, trí. Cers ma ha?
Tapperleaf.
Trí, ja. Njani, kehed, un. 3, ja. Njani, kehed, un. Hello, Alistair.
How many of these numbers do you remember?
Njoni. Njoni. Een. Ja. Tri. Keer. Koik.
Your turn now. What numbers are being suggested?
Njoni. Een. Ga. 3. Ceir. Coig.
Well, it's time for me to be getting back to where I live, Glasgow, Glasgow. And in the next programme we'll be looking at where we come from and what languages we speak. Until then, Marsin live in Rasta. Bye for now.
In this programme we introduced you to Catch a Velshif a Fudoch. Catch a Velshif a Fudoch. Gaff Molishgal. Gaff Molishgal. J and Shawluch a Hagav. J and Shawluch a Hagav. J an Arif phone a Hagav. J an Arif phone a Hagav. Njoni. Njoni. Earn. Earn. Ga. Ga. 3. 3. Ceir. Ceir. Coig. Coig.
Welcome once again to Speaking Our Language. And in this programme we'll be learning how to say where you come from and discussing whether you speak Gaelic or not. We'll also be having a look around Glasgow. Now if you want to say to someone where you come from, you can just use the name of the place. For instance, I'm from Lewis, the Isle of Lewis. So I would just say Lewis, Lewis. Now if you want to ask someone where they come from, you say Coas a Hashiv. Coas a Hashiv. Coas a Hashiv.
Muller.
Muller. Mull. Muller. Look out for Coas a Hashiv in this next situation.
There you are.
Apply.
Coas a Hashiv.
Ile.
Coas a Hashiv.
Ile.
Coas a Hashiv. Coas a Hashiv. Where are you from? Coas a Hashiv.
That customer was from Isla. Ile. Isla. Listen again.
Coas a Hashiv.
Ile.
Coas a Hashiv.
Ile.
Nothing van, vaartje de station, Strach na Boundary, Glasgow. Good morning. Welcome to Queen Street Station, Glasgow. Thatcher the station, Sraj na boundary. Welcome to Queen Street Station.
Martin waar?
Matic ba? Course a hashif.
A Glasgow.
A Glasgow. A Glasgow. From Glasgow. A Glasgow. See if you recognise which cities these people come from.
What's a hashif?
Dunedin.
What's a hashif? Sri Lai. What's a hashif?
Innernish.
What's a hashif?
Operein.
What's a hashif? Glasgow.
These common names sound a bit different in Gaelic. Listen again.
Dunedin, Edinburgh, Dunedin. Sri Lai, Stirling, Sri Lai. In your niche, Inverness, in your niche. Upper Ain, Aberdeen, Upper Ain. Glasgow, Glasgow, Glasgow. Lewis, Lewis. Mule, Mull. Ile, Isla. Glasgow, Glasgow. Dunedin, Edinburgh. Sri Lai, Stirling. In your niche, Inverness. Operein, Aberdeen.
Martin waar?
Nothing there. Course a hashif.
Uiste tour. What's a chefin?
Aljoes. Uist tour, North Uist. Uist tour. The driver also said, Coarsaha Shafane, where are you from? Look out for Coarsaha Shafane in our drama, Ekentai, at home.
Ja, 3 keer. Nee, 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 nee.
May I have your name, please?
Marianne. Marianne MacLeod.
Marianne ni Claude. Oh, what's the hasher?
Allows, gwas hashe féin.
A chirich.
Well, well, well.
Mr. Mackey.
Listen to Mrs. MacLeod and the receptionist saying where they come from.
May I have your name, please?
Marianne. Marianne MacLeod.
Marianne ni Claude. Oh, what's the hasher?
Allows, gwas hashe féin.
A chirich.
Well, well, well.
Coas a hash of féin. Coas a hash of féin. Where are you from? Coas a hash of féin.
Glasgow, known affectionately as the Dear Green Place, has undergone a major transformation in the last 10 years. The Garden Festival and the Year of Culture brought Glasgow to the attention of many. Other attractions like Glasgow Cathedral with its new visitor centre and Province Lordship, the oldest house in the city, bring hundreds of thousands of visitors to Glasgow each year. I've lived here for several years, and one of my favourite places is Kelvin Grove Art Gallery and Museum in the West End, home to an incredibly diverse collection of paintings, tapestry, armour and weaponry. Many Glaswegians will recognise this city landmark at the end of Argyle Street, known as the Hielanman's Umbrella, given its name because it was a favourite meeting place for Highlanders when they were going out for the night, which makes me think it's time to end my tour around the city and get into my glad rags for some fun this evening. I'm off to a Gaelic. The traditional Gaelic took place in the home. It was a forum for exchanging news, as well as telling tales and singing songs.